Hello students, welcome to our maths period. Today we'll start our next topic, that is the solid shapes. In the first video we have covered all the shapes like cuboid, cube, sphere and cone. The one shape is missing over there, that is hemisphere, so we'll continue that shape in this video. So a hemisphere is the half of the sphere having a curved surface, a flat surface and no vertices. It has a circular base. Hemisphere is a half piece of the sphere in which one curved surface is there, one flat surface is there and no vertex or no vertices is there. It has a circular base and its base is a circular in shape. So example is given here. So when you see your mother cutting a lemon in a half to make your lemonade, the shape of the cut lemon is a hemisphere. If you see your mother is making the lemonade, that is a lemon sharbat, or when she cut the lemon in two halves, the shape of the lemon is a hemisphere in which one flat surface is there, one curved surface is there and no vertex is there. So what is the property of hemisphere? A hemisphere has one curved surface, one flat surface and no vertices. This topic was remain in that video, so we have covered here. So with this we'll start our exercise 5.3. So the question is given, match the following. So the shape of this box is of which shape? Cuboid. So you'll pair this box with the cuboid. Now next is the round shape is given. So this ball is of which shape? Is a shape of sphere. So you'll match it with that. This box is of cube. So match with the cube. Now this roll is of which shape? Cylindrical. So match with cylinder. This is a hemisphere. So where is hemisphere? Here. So match with that. And the cap is of which shape? Cone shape. So match it. Now the next question is what? Identify the following solid shapes. The first is given 6 square faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now which shape it is? So you have to identify. So to which shape have 6 square faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices? In your mind, two answers are there. One may be cuboid or second is cube. So two answers are there, but the first is given 6 square faces, a square face whose all sides are equal, in which shape? Cube or cuboid, that is cube. So the answer of this question is cube. As you see, the 6 square faces are there in the cube. So answer is what? Cube. Now 3 surfaces, 2 planes and 1 curved, 2 edges and no vertices. So which shape it is? A 3 surface. Which shape has a 3 surface in that 2 planes and 1 curved surface is there? So if you remember a cylinder have 3 surfaces in which 2 plane surface are given and 1 curved surface, 2 edges like this and no vertex is given. So which is this shape? Cylinder. So shape name is what? Cylinder. So we'll write here cylinder. Now next is given 1 curved surface, no edges, no vertices. Which is the shape it is? So if you remember, a sphere has no edges, no vertices, only the one curved surface. So the answer is what? Sphere. Next. Now next is 2 surfaces, 1 edge and 1 vertex. Which is the shape? Who has 2 surfaces, 1 edge and 1 vertex? So if you remember, a cone has one plane surface and one curved surface. So how many surfaces are there? Two surfaces, one edge and one vertex. So which is the shape? Cone. So we'll answer here cone. Now next is 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. So a cube and cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners, but a cube has a square faces and a cuboid has a rectangular faces. So cuboid, here your answer. So cuboid. Now list 3 objects which look like a sphere. So which are that objects? So you can list here like a ball or a earth globe, that is globe, and you can write any object name. Here I remember marbles. So marbles, ball, globe and marbles are look like sphere. So next is list 3 objects which look like a cuboid and which you carry in your school bag every day. So which objects like in shape of cuboid and you carry that objects in your school bag every day. So first you can write your compass box, right? Compass box. Next is your tiffin. And what? One more we have to recall compass box, tiffin, and one more thing, that is scale or textbook or the notebook, right? So write here textbook, etc. So 3 objects are done. So here we have finished our exercise 5.3. I hope you understand. Recall every shape and their properties also you have to remember always.